In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 403. First, make sure that Roblox is not running on your PC. On your Start menu, search for %appdata% and press Enter. And then a new folder will open. In here, navigate to App Data at the top menu and select Local and find the Roblox local files. Right-click to that one and delete the entire Roblox folder. Once done, open your Windows settings. Under Network and Internet, click on VPN and make sure that your VPN connection is disabled. And then go back to your browsers to roblox.com. And when navigating to one of the experiences, you will see the options to download and install Roblox again. So just wait for a minute to reinstall the game to your system. So in your Start menu, search to open up your Firewall and Network Protection System settings window. In here, select Allow an app through Firewall. On this window, click on Roblox and make sure that both of these checkboxes are checked before closing this window. Lastly, in case this step did not help you out, what I recommend you to do is make sure that you're using a reliable network connection. You can check it through speed check on any browsers that you have. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.